So I'll be showing you how to add a weather widget to the always-on display of your Samsung Galaxy S24. So you can see I have a weather widget here, and I'll be showing you how to add that on your own Galaxy S24. I'm using the S24 Ultra, but this works on all the S24s. So what you want to do to achieve this is to add a weather widget to the lock screen of your phone. So simply go to the lock screen editor. On the lock screen, just long press on that lock screen, and then it's going to open the lock screen editor. Of course, having put in your password. And on the lock screen editor, you should see a section for widgets. So when there's nothing, it looks like that. Okay, so it says widgets. You can tap on that and then find any widget you want to add. Since we're adding a weather widget, I'll go to the weather section and you can choose any of these widgets to add. I'll choose this one, tap on that, and then tap on done. And now when you have a weather widget on the lock screen, you'll also have a weather widget on the always-on display. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.